Alright, here we go.
Oh, you can't leave yet, can you? Can you feel anything?
I feel so much.
This is funny.
It's like, what about my foot?
You want that shirt?
It's horrible.
I told you.
I totally missed out everything.
What?
I missed out. You don't know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Just leave a message. Video playlist.
What?
Video playlist.
Video games?
Yeah. It's so bad. I don't know what people talk about being silly on the internet. I'm fine. Oh, but you know what would be really nice? Why not Hiccup?
Well, you have a dog at home.
Well, cats are just, I got my cat, get boo, with her in the paint. I want a cat. I'm just like, cat, I got patience with it. Because everybody gotta die sometimes. What's it look like? Hiccup. Boom. I should have scared myself.
Did you get to keep the teeth?
Oh no. I think I'll just be in their face. I'm feeling wrong right now. I could be. Watch. That's the worst part right now. The hiccups. I'm hungry. I can't feel myself breathing because it's high.
Make sure you breathe. Devin, breathe.
Okay.
Breathe.
30 minutes.
I
No. Do you want to call him when you get here, or? Hold on 1 minute.
2 hours later.
Yeah, who is this? Well, John and I talked about this at length on Thursday.
There you go.